WT53R-TTL connection tutorial. Step 1. After hardware connection, turn on the software. Step 2. Select model to WT53R-TTL. Step 3. 2 ways to search for port. The first method is automatic search. Wait for the software to search for the port and select the serial port number of the device. The second method is manual search. Set the baud rate to 115200 by default. Click the sign to pull up the ID modification entry and set the device ID to old-time-50 by default. Step 4. Check the port. After successful connection, they can be wired on these pages. Manual calibration method for WT53R-TTL. Step 1. Prepare a white background or white object. Step 2. Fix the sensor at a distance of 15 mm for the white object. Step 3. Click Configuration to select the corresponding device and enter the configuration interface. Step 4. Click on Calibration and wait for 20 seconds to complete.